Tired of complicated money transfers? Let's dive straight into how you can send money from anywhere in the world directly to an Mpesa account in Kenya using Worldremit. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need a Worldremit account. Head over to worldremit.com and click on Sign Up to create your free account. It's a straightforward process. Just fill in your details and verify your email. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. In the Send To section, type in Kenya. Worldremit will automatically recognize the country. Next, you'll see the Send Method option. Click the drop-down and choose Mobile Money. This is crucial for sending directly to an Mpesa account. Now, enter your recipient's details. You'll need their full name exactly as it appears on their Mpesa account, their correct Kenyan mobile phone number, and their address. Double-check everything. Choose your preferred payment method. Worldremit accepts various options, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Select the one that works best for you. Review all the details one last time. Make sure the amount, recipient information, and payment method are correct before you hit send. After confirming, you'll see a transfer successful message. Worldremit will also send you a confirmation email. Your recipient will receive an SMS notification from Mpesa once the money arrives, usually within minutes. Now you can send money seamlessly with Worldremit.